Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we will be talking about tile. We're tiling the shower, and this is something that I genuinely hate. Whether it's tiling a house, a bathroom, a backsplash, or even a van, it is miserable work for me. So for your viewing pleasure and my agony, tiling in Vincent Van Gogh. Enjoy! About the big hole back here and what I was going to do with that, how I was going to fill it. Well, I went to Lowe's and I found the Schluter pipe seal. Looks like $4 or $5. I'm not worried about the one up top. Water will be coming out of it. I am worried about this one and the gap that it had all the way around it. So the one that I bought was way too small for this big old pipe here, but it will end up working. Schluter says you should use their sealant that would go behind this, and I didn't buy that. I still have half a jug of Red Guard. I'll let you know if this doesn't work out, but I have a feeling that it will. Alright, we are going to let that dry, and then I'll probably go back behind it and put another coat on it, probably up to 3.
It's not very accurate, just FYI.
That's not good. That bottom part's way not good.
No?
No.
Why?
Because you're on top of the tile.
I foresee some recuts.
I think we're alright. Alright, next piece.
Throughout this video, you're going to see us using the caulking gun to glue the tiles to the wall. We knew that the van was going to have a lot of vibrations, so we used a product called Quad OSI, and it gives it some stretch so it doesn't crack or break.
Last and final piece.
It's the final piece.
And what's that called in the construction world? That right there. Yeah, what's that called?
Cat.
A bead. Talked about that.
Whatever. We're done. At least with the backsplash. Now we gotta do that one. Then we gotta finish all this.
Okay.
I need you to go ahead and take care of that thing.
I have to go this way.
We need to cut this a little more.
Story of my life.
Pretty much. Can you follow the same angle? Or no? Yes? Okay, we need about another like little 1/4 inch off it, and should be
We've been working on tile for a long time, and there's just been a lot of hiccups, a lot of things unknown. I hate doing tile, but it's little things that we had to learn along the way. Connexion Grout by Bostick is the name of the product that we ended up going with. This has a lot of elasticity in it. It's going to keep your grout line from cracking, letting water behind it. Also, this grout is stain resistant, so no sealers needed. Alright, so we're finally getting around to putting some trim pieces in. I've got my top piece of quartz up. I need to put my bottom piece of quartz up. But I wanted to talk about this hole for a moment. So I left this access hole. I've talked about this in past videos, but we left this open just in case I ever needed to get to this mixing valve. There's only 1 or 2 pieces of plumbing behind the wall, but I knew for a fact that I wasn't gonna be able to get to anything here. There's no access from the front. That's impossible because of how it sits in the window. So without busting any tile out, this was the only way that I was going to be able to get to anything. So on top right here, you'll see the other piece of quartz, and that'll fit in there really nice. No!
Are you serious?
I hope you understand the hatred that I have for this craft. My hat's off to all the people that do this for a living. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you share this with somebody who needs it. And make sure you check out next week when we drop the video of us making the floor for the shower and a possible small surprise.
5 inches is too much, I feel.
Well, and that's why I wanted a piece of tile that we could.
Cut it out. Cut it out. Alright.
Yeah. All right, that's all we got time for this afternoon.